In this video, I explain how to use my Notion template. First, we have the menu. The first page is the guide that this video is part of. Then we have three other pages that provide full access to the different pages of the template. When you scroll down, you see a clock that you can enlarge on another page, and there is quick access to the different views of the template. In the calendars, you can add new tasks by clicking on the cross and fill them in with the information you want, just like that. You also have a view of the average grades you have obtained. You can add several filters to see, for example, your average in a single subject, or a particular term, or for an entire school year. The average is here. When we click on the task page, we have access to all the tasks in different views. The first is a simple calendar. The second groups task by subject, and the third by status. You can therefore create a task on each of these pages, create your own subjects based on what you are studying, and track your progress. By clicking on a task, you can access all the details about it. You can add notes as you wish. For some pages, this will be directly visible, while others will require you to click on the item to see them. The exams and deadlines page allows you to keep track of assignments you need to hand in or assessment and exams you have coming up. There are 5 different views: the calendar and exam sort by subject, status, term, and school year. Adding an exam works the same way as adding a task, although you can enter more details. Entering a grade is simple. You must enter the grade you received in grade and the maximum possible grade in max grade. The grade will be recorded as a percentage in the grade percentage field, just here. For example, if you got 10 out of 20, you would enter 10 in the grade field and 20 in the max grade field. The percentage obtained is 50%. This is what allows you to obtain an average of all grades on the main page of the template. Finally, on the courses page, you can enter the courses you have taken, enter the title of the subject covered in this course, the subject in which you studied it, and you can even enter the notes you took or other important information that you think is useful to write down. You have a page where you can view your classes in a calendar by subject, by term, or by school year. It works the same way as the previous pages. This template provides you with a predefined structure but gives you the freedom to modify it by adding filters or changing certain visuals to access the information you want in the way you want. Certain options, such as subject studied, have not been pre-filled so that the template can be adapted to suit as many people as possible. You are free to add whatever you want. Now I leave you to discover the finer details of this template for yourself. Good luck with your school year.